Surprising ways a chiropractor can make your life as a mum a little bit easier. Most mums are juggling a million things at once. It's easy to get stressed and overwhelmed, but luckily there's some things that your local chiropractor can do to help out. Many people find being in pain puts them in a bad mood and it makes it harder to get through their day, which adds to their stress levels. Now, if you're a mum, then chances are that you've experienced back pain at some stage, whether it be carrying a toddler or lifting heavy things in and out of the car. Back pain is incredibly common amongst mums, and a visit to your local chiropractor can make sure your spine is aligned, working and balanced right. And this can be incredibly effective at helping you to decrease your back pain. Along with that, your chiropractor will also work with you to strengthen muscles around your spine to prevent future recurrences of back pain too. Another way that chiropractic care might help you out as a mum is to help you increase the quality and quantity of the sleep that you're getting. Now, if you're a mum with all the jobs that you have to do, looking after kids, the house and work and everything else that goes along with that, most mums aren't getting enough sleep or not getting the right quality of sleep. And again, not getting enough sleep comes along with a lot of other health challenges, such as increased risk of heart disease, anxiety and depression, not to mention just feeling exhausted. By decreasing the tension that often exists around our spine, by improving the function of the spine and the nervous system, and by decreasing pain in the body, chiropractic can help you get a better night's sleep. Now, when you get a better night's sleep, you're much more likely to be able to cope along with all the challenges that come with being a mum. If you're looking for a natural way to help manage your health, or if you're experiencing some kind of back and neck discomfort, please don't suffer in silence. Reach out to us by sending us a DM or book an appointment online at riversidechiropractic.com.au.